Take a ride in the 2019 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.